not even 5 feet away from us. Smell that came off us. Hello to a new vlog. My name is Megan, or Megs. A lot of people call me Megs. If you're new here, I make clay earrings for my business and do all stuff like that. But today, we're taking a day off and we're going to the beach. I just choked on water. I just did my nails. If you watched my other vlog, you've seen them. If you guys don't know, I do like kind of daily vlog, but I don't post them every day. I just daily vlog and then I put them up on every Monday, pretty much every Monday. If I have extra content, I put it up on Thursdays. Yeah. Holy. It's gonna be hot out. It's gonna be, the air is, my camera is fogging up. It's gonna be like 98 today and we're going to the beach. How to fill an ice, or not an ice, how to fill a cooler.
I got it for free from the golf course.
Yay!
Yay!
Drop these packages off at the post office.
Oh, it's recording? Yeah. Oh. We'll be going to the beach, and then after this, there's I wonder if the old man's staring at her bum. Definitely 11 out of 10 staring at Megan's bum.
We're looking for little ice packs, but ice pack? Ice pack. Look at how much ice is in here. This is perfect.
I'll put like one of the fruits here.
Yeah. The one thing about her car is we can't like prop the phone up. Anyways, this is a little trick that we've done before and we haven't done it since, so we're gonna try and figure it out again. But if you like kind of black coffee, or not kind of black coffee, how do I explain this? Like, it's like, sometimes McDonald's make if you ask for a vanilla coffee, it's too sweet. So we want ours like a little more bitter just so we can have more coffee and just be hyped up for this beach day. So what we do is we're gonna get a medium cup of water, just in case we want to dilute it.
And drive through right now, or wait?
Wait, Park, let me film this. So we're gonna get a medium cup of water, we're gonna get a medium black coffee, and then we're gonna get a medium vanilla iced coffee with 2 pumps of vanilla.
What'd she say?
And I hope that we can get 2 pumps of vanilla because I've never done that before. So that way, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the cup of water, we're gonna put the cup of water in here, have the cup, and then we are gonna mix the coffees together so that it's like half black, half of the sugary one. If that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense at all, but that's how we're gonna do it. And yeah, you're gonna see us struggle. Anyways.
If you don't like your coffee tasting like mid,
or really sugary down, this is like the best way to do it. Honestly, we could probably get away with not getting 2 pumps of vanilla, just 1, because they make their coffee really sweet.
They really do.
Maybe we should just do that.
Because they do like a natural sugar or something shit. That's what I brought.
She got this thing.
I don't know, I think my mom gave it to me, not gonna lie. But then like this is...
I forgot my tripod for my camera. So I was saying how we're gonna have to prop it up on the cooler in the books and stuff to film at the beach because I'm not putting this in the sand. I will ruin my camera. Anyways, we're gonna try this coffee thing and I'll let you know if it works.
Iced coffee?
Yeah.
And then can I just get a medium black iced coffee? No. Ew.
More the merrier. All right. Oh, hello. Hey! Okay, so what do we have? We have to pour this into my cup. Hold on. Nice.
Oh yeah, and I'll pour the rest.
But it's okay. So do like a quarter of it.
Barista, mama!
That's disgusting.
You don't like it?
It's okay.
Did they make it like pussy wings? Hold on. Try
maybe
this now,
they did.
Because we can go back. If they fucked up and didn't give us vanilla iced coffee.
No, that tastes good.
Okay.
That tastes amazing.
So then you
a little bit.
One with that one. And then
let me try that.
Because I drink coffee black. So
a little bit of it.
She did not. We failed. We fucked up.
It's okay. It's okay. No, that's perfect.
Perfect.
That's literally, I know it's not a full one, but it's okay.
We don't need a full one anyways.
This is a little towel, or not towel thing. This is like a wicker thing I just got at the dollar store. It has butterflies on it. It's so cute. This is the water. We got a perfect spot where no one is around us. This is our umbrella. She got hella towels. Cute.
Okay.
We're now gonna die of
heat
sunburn. I'm already sweating. We found some shells.
That's a deep cut.
Her boyfriend cut himself on his first day at his job. Rip. We found these shells. You can put these on necklaces and stuff, so I'm grabbing them. This one's cute. And then we found this. She thinks there's a fossil in it, which it kind of looks.
There's definitely a fossil like, there. You can see the little body. Or like a part of the whatever the body is.
Maybe like the spine or something.
I watched too many Indiana Jones movies and shit. Mom sends me a pictures of tomato plants I gave her, which if I have extra, I'm gonna do one to your mom.
Yes.
So I don't know if my mom gave.
So we're just trying to peacefully read, and this seagull thinks it's okay to come right near us. He's like not even 5 feet away from us.
He's plotting to fit right now.
Yeah, he's like, you guys have snacks, and I know you don't. Look at him. The seagull is gone. There's that one over there though. That's just.
What the hell happened to her mouth is wild.
I don't know. We got these chocolate croissants.
Them.
They look so good. Yum. I'm getting powder everywhere though. I didn't film this, but there's an actual smell that came off us from the water that was absolutely disgusting.
It was gross.
Like dead rotting fish times 10. So we went and found showers and we changed over our bathing suits and everything because, guys, it was not it. I'm trying to let my shoes, because we had to take the showers and the showers were disgusting. So I was like, I'm not taking my shoes off. So I literally just did it with my shoes on. Now my shoes are absolutely disgustingly wet, so I'm letting them kind of dry. I probably shut the door now because probably have the air on. I just wanted to like.
I left my shoes outside with the door closed. I don't think anybody's.
I just wanted my feet to dry. That's what I was trying to.
Did you leave your shoes on?
Yeah.
Okay, dope.
I got ice cream. She got a salad.
It was good.
It was a cute little shop with this old lady. She was so cute.
Super cute. 11 out of 10.
It's dripping. Coffee number 2. We're going home now.
Yay!
Yay! I'm home now. I literally got home and changed right into like leggings and like a sweatpant or in a sweatshirt because I'm like, the air conditioning in here is really cold. But let's hope that I didn't get burnt too bad. It doesn't look bad right now, but it usually takes a few hours for it to like develop. So for literally the rest of the night, I'm just gonna be editing, and I think that's it. I think I'm just gonna edit for the rest of the night and then watch Stranger Things. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Yeah, bye.